WordPress course outline. Orientation of web development and introduction to WordPress. What is WordPress? WordPress is a popular content management system, CMS, that allows users to create and manage websites easily. It is open source and highly customizable, featuring themes for design, plugins for functionality, and widgets for additional features. Users can manage content through a user-friendly dashboard, create posts and pages, and extend their site's functionality with various plugins and custom code. Regular maintenance, including updates, backups, and security measures, is essential to keep a WordPress site running smoothly. What is domain and hosting? A domain is the unique address used to access a website on the internet. It's what users type into their web browser's address bar to visit a site. For example, in www.example.com, example.com is the domain name. Domains are made up of two main parts: the name, e.g., example, and the extension, e.g., .com. Common extensions include .com, .net, .org, and country-specific extensions like UK or .ca. Domains are registered through domain registrars, companies authorized to manage the reservation of domain names. Web hosting is a service that provides the necessary infrastructure for websites to be accessible on the internet. When you purchase hosting, you are essentially renting space on a server where your website's files and data are stored. WordPress is user-friendly and flexible, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to create a professional website without needing extensive coding skills. Whether you're starting a blog, an online store, or a portfolio, WordPress provides the tools and resources to get you started quickly.